Hello guys, it's your favorite architect Emmanuel Kelechukwu, aka Casey Consult. Yes, um, you are all welcome to my channel. Yes, you've always known me for someone who has passion for beautiful designs, someone who creates adorable designs and adorable building constructions. Yes, with over 9 to 10 years working experience. Yes, uh, I'm excited to share with you my knowledge and insights with you guys. Join me on this journey as we explore
Yes, my fellow
Soakaway
Nigerians.
construction together.
Here is a step-by-step guide to Soakaway installation in Nigeria. First step has been done the selection and preparation uh, of the location where the sockaway has been dug. As you can see, they are digging the sockaway already. Look at the dimension, 8 feet by 10 feet, 8 feet by 10 feet. Yes, and the depth is 10 feet. Okay, now the German floor has been done, and the laying of blocks, and this laying of blocks, you must use the spirit level, as you can see in the video. Then the block laying, in Nigeria we don't have machine that will be sending the blocks direct to the pit. So you can see the server is serving the medicine man, giving him blocks inside the pit. Yes, this is how it is locally made. It is locally made this way. Because we don't have machine, as I've said before, because we don't have machine that send blocks direct to the pit. So one person has to be outside giving the other person inside the blocks. So he will be staking them inside till he gets the number of blocks he needed in the pit. Yes, that's how it is being done. As you can see, the first coach, the first level, which is 6 courses before the carpentry and the iron bender. Yes, as you can see, iron has been introduced. Then the carpenter is doing his carpentry work. The laborers are casting the beams and pillars. Yes, this is exactly how it's being done here. Then the bricklayer starts over again, putting up like 6 to 7 courses of blocks. After that, other things will be in place. He has been plastering it. This is the step by step. After the plaster, the decking and the backfilling. Thank you.
Thank you for watching that beautiful video. If you like more videos like this, click on the notification bell, subscribe and share. Thank you.